Hello everyone, I hope that you are all enjoying your magnetic lashes. I just wanted to do a video on the safe removal of your lashes and also how to prolong them for further wears and also get the most out of them. So I'm currently wearing Georgia. I love Georgia, it's a really big lash. I still find that I can wear it every day and it's very comfortable. So what you need to do when removing your magnetic lashes is to ensure that you're cleaning the magnets before putting them back into your kit. So I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. Obviously you want this to be a quick and easy method to put them on and take them off, but just a few little tips and tricks along the way can ensure that you're getting the most out of them, and that you're going to be able to continue to wear them over and over again, because you should be able to wear them up to 30 times. So when you remove your lash, and I'm just going to do that right now, I just pull from the outside in and remove it. It's really easy to remove, doesn't hurt at all. I wouldn't recommend going to bed with your lashes on. First of all, you may lose them in the bed, and secondly, you're going to probably damage them, so you won't get as long out of them as well. So your magnetic lashes have 5 small magnets along the base there. I don't know if you can see or not. I don't know if it's focusing. Hello. Okay, anyway, so what you want to do when you've taken them off, these actually don't have a lot of residue on them right now. Sometimes I find that more residue gets stuck on the magnets than other times, but it's always important to go a really quick little clean before putting them back in the kit. So I'm just going to use isopropyl alcohol. You can just use brush cleaner or makeup remover. Anything like that works. I actually tried apple cider vinegar the other day and that worked as well. So very versatile. Just use a cotton tip. Get a little bit on your cotton tip, and all you need to do is just do a really quick wipe over of the magnets just to ensure that you're getting the residue of the eyeliner off. Very similar to I guess anytime that you wear eyeliner and you have to get it off your eyes, just getting them off the magnet. So even a face wipe would work. So just removing that. The reason being, when you put them back into your kit, so they'll just go straight back on inside their kit. You don't want the eyeliner to stick to the plastic here. Otherwise, when you take your lash off next time, you risk pulling those magnets off. So eyeliner is quite tacky in general, and if it builds up on there and it gets stuck to the kit here, it'll be harder to take the lash off, and then you risk losing your magnets. So just a quick little tip. It's really easy to do. It shouldn't take you up too much time, and it's going to prolong the life of them for more and more wears. So make sure you clean your lashes when you take them off, put them back in their kit, and they're ready to go for the next day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this hot tip, and we will keep bringing you more and more videos as we launch more and more products. Thank you.